Hello friends, hope you are doing well and have started preparation for common entrance test. In this video, we are going to see one common entrance exam test app designed by Trinity Academy of Engineering, Pune. Let's see how to download this app. First, you can download this app from Play Store or you can visit our website for downloading this app. I'm going to download this app from the Play Store. In Play Store, you have to type Trinity Champ. So this is the app which is designed for giving mock common entrance test exams. Download this app. As I have already downloaded, I'm going to open this app. Once you open, these are the options which you will see. For giving mock test, you have to select CET series. All other options which are provided, it gives the information about KJ's educational institutes. So let's start with CET series. When you click on CET series, you will see two options. One is sign in, another one is sign up. So first of all, you have to sign up. So I am clicking on this sign up option. So sign up is nothing but it is the registration where you have to enter your details and the one important teacher reference code. So the teacher reference code is capital TAE. After that you have to enter your valid email ID and the mobile number and your address detail. Once you enter all the information, click on the save button. So once you click on this save button, your login credentials will be mailed on your registered email ID and on your contact number you will get those credentials. So once you sign up, the next step is you have to log in by using your login credentials. Once you log in, you will see different test series which are provided in this Trinity Champ app. So you can give any number of the test series by just clicking on that particular test series. So over here I am going to click on the Trinity Champ second test. I will select apply. Over here you will see a few instructions for this mock test. You can select the preferable language by clicking on select a language button. The next one is you have to click on this check button. That means you have read and understood all the instructions, and after that just click on start exam. Once you click on that exam, you will get the 50 number of the questions and the time duration provided is 1 hour. Before that 1 hour, if you complete your test, you can submit the test by clicking on the end button. So once you click on that, it will ask you whether you are sure to submit your test or not. Just click on OK and you will get a message as your examination completed successfully. So thank you for watching this video. Wish you all the best for your common entrance test exam.